So is it possible to actually make money from forex trading if you're a complete beginner with no background whatsoever, no education on forex trading, and you're completely new? Well, in this video, I'm going to be proving to you that it is actually possible and how you can get started with it. So I'm going to be giving you a quick description or a quick guide on what you're looking in front of you right now, what it is. This is MetaTrader on desktop platform on my laptop, but you can get this also on your mobile phone, on any other devices that you can use to trade with, right? Be it your Apple devices, your MacBooks, your PC, your Android phones. As long as you can access to the internet, then you can trade on the go wherever you are, right? That's the best part about forex trading, right? You're location neutral, meaning you can trade from anywhere, anytime. So if you're new to this channel, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button down below. In today's video, we're going to be focusing on forex trading and how you can get started with it today with no prior knowledge whatsoever and without having to invest a lot of money into forex trading education right from the start, right? So you can start this with this method basically for free, 100% free. So in the links below, I'm going to leave a link to a page that I've set up with free videos to just show you what is the basics of forex trading, how to get started and so forth, as well as a link to a 7-day free trial to get signals like this. Right here, as you can see, to get signals like this, where you simply basically copy and paste exactly what you're seeing on the screen and then wait to hit your profit for that day, and then that's basically how you get started completely for free. So that's what I'm saying. You can get started as a beginner. You don't need any prior knowledge. So getting started with it. So this is MetaTrader app on the desktop. So as you can see, I have my broker right now. On this account, I'm trading. My broker is JP Market. So basically, with forex trading, you need to have what we call a broker. So a broker is more like a bank that manages your money. So this is where you'll fund your account. So the best brokers that I recommend out there that I've been using, that I'm using currently, as you can see, JP Markets is one of them. I'm going to leave links down below, or just a list, just showing you all the brokers that I'm using down below as well. So right now, as you can see, JP Markets, I got IC Markets. That's a good one as well. I got Hugo's Way, I got Traders Way, and XM and FBS. Those are really great brokers that I've been using. I've not had any complications with throwing or funding my accounts and so forth. So, and then they got good, amazing customer support anytime. So I really recommend that you get any of those. As I said again, I'm just going to leave a list of these brokers down below so you can check them out and do your own research about them if they're available in your country and if you can use them, right? So anyways, once you create an account with a broker, you have two options. So if you're learning, if you're completely new and you don't have money to fund your account, I recommend that you join the free day, 7-day free day, right? And then either fund your account with real money or try it on demo so that you see whether forex trading is something that you want to pursue on, whether it's something that you really want to do and make money online every single day, right? Because there's a lot of potential in forex trading. There's a lot of money to be made on forex trading. So anyways, once you set up this on your broker, right? On your broker page, you have the links to download mt4 for your PC or for all your devices that you're using, right? So I recommend that you both have on your PC, on your MacBook, or on your iPhone and on your Android phone, right? So any devices that you have, so that anytime you can actually, whenever you receive the signals, you can actually just take trades right there, right? So it doesn't matter that you are on your mobile, on your PC, you can take trades and then it's basically synced because it's the same account, right? So you can trade from anywhere, wherever you are. So let's say you just received this signal right here. So this is NZD USD sell. So what they mean by this is basically NZD USD, the graph is going to go down. It's going to continue going down. So Colt, I think I introduced him in the previous video, but if you're new and you don't know what's that, so this basically Colt is a forex trader, makes over 25K every single month forex trading, and he has been mentoring. So I actually joined in his signals group, which is just $50 a month. So if I can show you the source page right here, so this is the company that he owns, reward over risk. So basically this is his company right there, right? So you can join in this with a 7-day free trial to just try out to know whether forex is actually for you or not. So in these 7 days, you can actually make crazy amounts of money if you just follow what he's telling you, and you've got at least $100 in your account to fund your account, right? For your trading account. So this is just $50 every single month, but once you start trading forex and you have at least $100, you notice that $50 every single month is actually nothing according to the amount of money that you'll be making, right? This is what you can expect from him. You do all the analysis, you do all the analyzing all the charts, and then just send your signal. So once you receive a signal, it'll look something like this. So it will tell you the pair that you want to trade on, right? So NZD USD in this case is the example, right? So what you want to do is either on your mobile phone or on your desktop, on your laptop, on your device, you basically go and log into your MetaTrader, right? So right here, using this button, you can select the chart that you want to trade on. So right now we got NZD USD. So depending on your broker, this might look different. Depending on your broker, right? Like the pairs that are available for you to trade. So we want to trade NZD USD. So there is it right now. So once I click on it, I can actually just view it. As you can see, it's right here in the background. So that's the chart right now. And then let's say that signal was actually just sent right now, and I have to enter. So all I have to do, according to this signal, is actually the chart is going to continue going down, so I have to sell, right? So I will literally, this is my entry point, and then this is my stop loss. So all I have to do is copy this, and then go to my trader, and then place in the stop loss, right? Just highlight that, and then paste that. So that's my stop loss, and then I'll go to my take profit. Literally just copy paste. So as you can see, there's TP1 and TP2, so which means you can have 2 entries. So I recommend, depending on your account, I recommend that you risk at least 10% of your account on any trade that you go in, right? So any trade that you do, that I recommend that you risk a total of 10% of your account, so that just to be safe, right? So you select your lot size that you want to do, and then you paste the take profit that we just copied there, right? And then it's a sell market. So as you see, the signal you told us to sell. So all you have to do is hit the sell button, and then you are in on a trade. So this trade, when it hits the take profit, you actually make money, right? And then it will automatically close. Or if it end up not being profitable, it will hit the stop loss, meaning you only lose that 10% or less of your account. As I said, you only lose 10%, right? But then there's a potential. So it works with a 3-to-1 ratio, meaning that your profits is 3 times or more bigger than your losses. So every time you make a profit, it will be 3 times what you might have lost in the previous trade. And with a 90% win ratio on this group that I've been experiencing, I can surely say that you will always be in profits, right? You never really experience a lot of losses with this group. As you can see, there's 5 to 10 weekly trade alerts, so you will be receiving this kind of signals 5 to 10 times during a week, which will give you a potential of making a lot of money with this. So you can just all you have to do is just to watch out for the signals and perfectly time them. Make sure that you don't go in late on the trades, and then just set up that exactly as I showed you, as I just demonstrated in this video. So that's basically how it works. And then, as I said, the trade will automatically close on its own because you have set up the take profits and the stop losses, right? So that's all you have to do. There's a lot of pairs on this broker that I can actually trade. So you just have to make sure that your broker actually have a lot of pairs that you can trade. You don't want limited pairs, because these signals can come from any pair, but mostly he usually trades mostly the USD pairs. That's the most one that we work on, because there's a lot of volatile, meaning that it moves quite a lot, which gives us an opportunity to make a lot of money, right? But you can also trade XAUSD, which is gold. You can also trade Bitcoin, which is great, because last week it was actually making a lot of money. It made people really rich with this one. It was trading Bitcoin last week was really profitable, even though it went down. It was really great, right? So that's basically how you use the MetaTrader app on your desktop. On your mobile phone, I'm going to be demonstrating that in the following video. So stay tuned to this channel, subscribe if you're not already, and turn on notifications so that you won't miss a video when I release one. So anyways, I said the link down below, I set up a page with a beginner's guide. So basically how to set up your broker, how to choose a broker, how to find your account, and all those stuff. So all those good stuff. So I put out a blog that I'm going to link down below. And then also on that same page, you'll find the link to a 7-day free trial, so that you get your signals and start trading and make a bit of cash, so that you could be able to get a full time on that, so that you get those 5 to 10 signals every single week, every single month. So there's a potential to make a lot of money trading from anywhere. So remember, this can work worldwide, because all you need internet access, your mobile device at most, or your PC, because you're not doing any analyzing, you're just basically taking trades the exact same way that I just showed you right now. So I'm going to be demonstrating that on the mobile device as well. It's pretty much easy, same process. So if you enjoyed this video, I really appreciate it if you hit that like button, turn on notifications, and basically leave a comment down below if you got any questions, or hit me up on Telegram. Also leave my own Telegram channel where I can help you one-on-one, or if you're interested in finding more ways of making money online, right? So anyways, thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. I really appreciate that. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.